AluGlobus CLAD120, you want to see how it's installed? Follow me. We have this beautiful entrance here, and we're going to make it more beautiful with our clad system. 100% aluminum, 6063 T6, engineered system with the tongue and groove, support every 3 feet to 4 feet, and you'll be fine. So we're going horizontally here, and we'll wrap the window. What's nice here, what we're going to do, we're going to wrap the ceiling. So what that's going to create, your walkway coming up and out. So that makes it even bigger. Now imagine that ceiling with a beautiful chandelier. Will be coming soon. We got here a pair of handymans doing it for our client. I'm here for support. And check this out. This is super easy. You got Ryobi. I'm not a fan, but it's okay. DeWalt all the way. So we got this L piece here. That's going to make your job easy. You're going to install all your trim pieces. We can send you instruction as well. Trim pieces around the window, around the door. We also have a 2-piece trim finish that will make it even nicer and faster. But here the customer requests only to do a vertical trim. So that means the CLAD120 will sit like that on the trim, and that will be it. It won't be any more trims on it. So they want a really, really fine finish. So that's what we're gonna do. We already started installing. Now you're asking, what is those 1x4s? Those 1x4s is because when we did the ceiling, you can work us. When we did the ceiling, we were looking for support wood and we couldn't find it really easy. So we said, you know what? We're gonna screw those 1x4s, actually it's 1x3, into the studs. That's going to make the job easier. So people will ask, but it's ugly. No, it's not visible. When the job is done, you can't see not that hole, not the electrical box will have to drop down, and you won't see the wood. As you can see, we're already starting in the front. You will not see that. This is a super nice solution if it's for your house, for your commercial building, for a restaurant. We're actually doing one in Brickell. We shipped it out there to Miami, Brickell, really nice restaurants. We're gonna go there and get you a nice video, see the result. That's a wood grain finish there. Here's black, powder coated black, AA 2604, MA 2604, super durable coating. We don't believe in any other coating. Obviously it's great, because it's not going to rust on you. You know, it's something you're putting on your house, on your front door. You want to know it's not going to rust. You want to know you're not going to have to paint it every 5 minutes, right? So super easy installation. If you want the best cladding system out there, we have produced it. And we have produced it at the correct pricing for the correct requirements, engineering, and correct requirements for the quality control. So you're not getting a half-ass product, you're getting something strong, durable, something that is easy to install. The system was created for a contractor, for a handyman to get it installed. So there you go, CLAD120. Let's continue a little later, let them work here, and I'll see you in a little bit.